Today we're going to take a closer look at this 1 cent 1993 coin with a D mint mark and a long date. First, let's talk about its rarity. This particular coin was minted in Denver, hence the D mint mark, and it features a longer date format than the usual 1 cent 1993 coins. While this may not seem like a big deal, it actually makes this coin quite rare and valuable. In fact, this coin was recently sold at heritage auctions for a whopping $12,000. That's right, a 1 cent coin that's worth thousands of dollars. So, why is this coin so valuable? Well, it all comes down to supply and demand. There are very few of these coins in circulation, and collectors are willing to pay top dollar to add it to their collection. Fact, many coin collectors consider the 1 cent 1993 D long date coin to be a true gem in their collection. It's not just about the value, but the history and rarity that make it so special. So, if you happen to come across a 1 cent 1993 D long date coin, don't dismiss it as just another penny. Take a closer look, and you might be surprised by its value and heritage. Thanks for watching.